Okay, now I'm going to start. Listen carefully. Yesterday I told you to do the problems which is given by me as a home assignment. Okay. Our question was AP and DP are bisectors of two adjacent angles A and D of a quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that 2 into angle APD is equal to angle B plus C. Again, everyone write the question on your copy. I am telling same question. Again, AP and DP are bisectors of two adjacent angles A and D of quadrilateral ABCD. Prove that 2 into angle APD is equal to angle B plus angle C. Okay. First you read the questions and try to make the diagram according to it. I denote it by letters which are given in the questions. Understood? Everyone can make the diagram by looking the statement of given question. Can you make it properly? Now I am telling how to make the diagram properly according to given questions. In a question you are looking, there is a quadrilateral ABCD. So first we make a quadrilateral, any type of quadrilateral, which is four-sided closed figure. Now make a quadrilateral ABCD, denoting the vertices by taking letters A, B, C, D in order. Suppose I am taking capital A on vertex on the horizontal line which is on left side, and right side vertex denote it by B. Again, look at the horizontal line above these lines, put on left vertex by D and right vertex by C. So it is complete quadrilateral ABCD. Now again read the questions. In starting, AP and DP are bisector of two adjacent angles A and D. Look at the figures. Vertex A and vertex D are both adjacent angles A and D. Now bisect angle A by a line AP which divides angle A into two equal parts of angles. Similarly, again divide angle T by a line which divides it into two angles of equal parts. Both bisectors meet at point P inside the quadrilateral. Now APD becomes a triangle. You are looking on the figure also. Okay? In a figure you can denote angles of triangle APD. Angle PAD, denote it by angle A by 2 by enclosing arc, small arc on both arms. Similarly, angle PDA, denote it by angle D by 2 because AP is bisector of angle A. Therefore, angle PAP is equal to angle PAD is equal to angle A by 2. Similarly, DP is a bisector of angle D. So, angle CDP and PDA is equal to angle D by 2. Both angles will be T by 2. Understood? Now, in triangle APD, you got the values of PAD and PDA. Okay? Now, I am going to make a relationship between angles of quadrilaterals and angles of triangle. Start. Solutions. ABC is a quadrilateral. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. That is angle sum property of quadrilateral. Write within this statement, within bracket, small bracket. Okay. Now in a questions, what you have to prove it, a right hand side angle B and C are there. So from this equation you can make the values of angle B and C in terms of angle A and angle B. So next step will be angle B plus angle C is equal to 360 degree minus within a small bracket angle A plus angle D. Now suppose it equation first. Clear? You got the values of angle B and C in terms of angle A and D. Now you have to bring the terms of LHS 2 into APD. So from this equation, right hand side, the values of right hand side should be replaced by 2 into angle APD. Now how will do it? How will replace it? we'll do as follow. Now again make a relationship between angles of triangle APD. Okay. Now write in triangle APD, angle A by 2 plus angle T by 2 plus angle APD is equal to 180 degree. Angle some properties of triangle. We have already explained you how we will get the values of angle PAD and angle PDA. Okay, so you can write directly like this equations. So next step will be as take LCM of LHS terms. It gives in numerator angle A plus angle T plus 2 into angle APT whole divided by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now again do cross multiplication. We will get angle A plus angle D plus 2 into angle APD is equal to 360 degree. You assume it the equation 2. Now from equation first and second, right hand side of equation first is replaced by the values of equation 2 of angle A plus angle D in terms of 360 degree. Okay. Now taking both equation together, we get angle B plus angle C is equal to 360 minus angle A plus angle D is replaced by, write down within bracket 360 minus angle A plus angle D. Angle A plus angle D should be within a small bracket. Now open the brackets of RHS. 360 minus 360 plus angle A plus angle D. 360 minus 360 will be cancelled, and ultimately we get the result angle B plus C is equal to 2 times 2 into angle ABD. Okay, you got the result. Okay, that is good.